That's a very interesting question on my video on how to make a basic white sauce. Check it out, here's a list of all of the ingredients. I'm gonna throw everything into a food processor. Let's see how it turns out. Now the only ingredient that I changed was the cream. I did not want to make whipped cream, so I changed that out, substituted it with milk. So kick back, enjoy the experiment, let's see what happens. And by the way, if you all ever have any questions like this or suggestions about a recipe or a process, leave it in the comments section. Chances are if you have a question, then a lot of people probably have that same question. Be happy to help out and see what I can do. And who knows, I might make a video on it and post it like this. So here's my review of throwing it into the food processor and just blending it all up. It was a fairly easy process, not too complicated or hard. It's really not that messy, except if you don't put a lid on the processor. The sauce came together just like a normal sauce. However, after about 30 seconds off heat, the sauce, it started to lump up. How about that taste? How does it compare to a roux sauce, even though I dumped in about half the bottle of white pepper? Not too bad. In the end, yes, it worked out. You can make a sauce this way. But doing this way, you'll sacrifice taste and texture. It had more of a flour taste than a standard roux sauce. And as you can see, it wasn't as smooth. To give this process a score out of 10, I would give it a 6.2. Not too shabby, but not exactly perfect. If you all have any other questions about sauces, leave me comments in the videos. I'll see what I can whip up. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel, and keep whisking, y'all.